Introducing Code-3's all-new Outliner Perimeter Bar. Combining power and a sleek design, Code-3's unique Outliner Perimeter Bar is designed to conform to any exterior flat surface, including running boards, push bumpers, or tailgates. The Outliner is waterproof IP67 rated and features a high-grade powder-coated aluminum housing and sealed light heads that prevent corrosion and water ingression. The Outliner is available in 24, 36, 60, and 72-inch models. Split and solid configurations are available in amber, blue, red, and white. The Outliner is Rojas and IP67 rated. Each model comes with a 5-year warranty. To find out more about Code-3's Outliner Perimeter Bars, visit code3esg.com.